Don't slip on the drip. Don't slip on the drip. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go. Hey love bugs, welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and it feels like the entire world is talking about fall, and I'm just so heartbroken because I'm a summer baby, but my birthday is not until September 18th, so we haven't even come up on my birthday yet, and you guys are talking about fall. I'm a summer baby. Anyways, I decided to still get ready for fall, kind of sort of a little bit, courtesy of Nadula. They sent over this beautiful brown balayage lace wig. This is a closure, and it did come as a center part, but as you guys can see, I switched it up as a side part, and I went ahead and did my curls, ran errands for my kids, and I came back and voila, they were super drenched with product, nice and curly, and I let the elements, the natural sun and heat, dry it up, and look at how gorgeous it came out, and you'll see the transformation in the video. This one again does come courtesy of Nadula, and this one is available on Amazon Prime. So I'm gonna jump into the tutorial for you guys, and in real time I'm headed to private stretch lessons with my daughters, so if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, so we are officially a week into the new school year, and I have been enjoying the fact that my house has peace and quiet during the day way too much. For the last 9 years of my life, I've been a mom with kids at home. My kids did not do daycare or preschool or anything like that. So now that my youngest Dominic is doing TK, chef's kiss, we're almost there to her being in full day school, and then I'll have like what, 6 hours a day of peace and quiet because I don't really have like a set babysitter. So usually my kids are just always with me, and I've enjoyed it so much so that look at me, I've gotten back in my robe and got back in my bed. But it is money making Monday, so I'm gonna try my best to cook today, go to the gym today. My girls have private stretch today, and I'm gonna do my hair today, so I am super excited about that. This one here, as you guys seen already, comes courtesy of Nadula, and this is a 24-inch brown highlight. Wait, I have the exact details. Let me get it. So yeah, this is a 24-inch balayage ombre curly bye-bye knots wig, and then when I click on the link, I'm so excited because this one is available on Amazon. So if you are a Amazon Prime girl, and it's available in the 24-inch overnight for my personal address. That is amazing. You can definitely have this one like literally within 2 business days. Absolutely amazing, and it's a beginner friendly wig. So as I mentioned, this one has the bye-bye knots. When you take this little tissue paper off, you will see that this is a wear and go wig where the lace is pre-cut, the knots are pre-bleached, and the hairline is pre-plucked, and then that hairline also has that gorgeous scallop cut, so it'll be easy to install and style, and the lace will look nice and camo. And this is what she looks like from the inside. As I mentioned, we're going closure today, which makes it very much a glueless wig. So since I'm starting the gym this week officially, this will be the perfect gym wig, so I can give a little sass and va-va-voom, but also be secure. And also another thing that helps it to be secure is that we have a removable and attachable. Of course it's removable if it's attachable, but this is an adjustable, also removable elastic band. And then you have this type of nape. So let's go ahead and adjust the straps like so, and we can put the wig on and get to installing. And this is what it looks like. Excuse my little kitchen. And then you put the back on, adjust the front, and voila, look at that beautiful pre-plucked hairline. That is the first thing I noticed. You always want to adjust your wig, kind of like you kind of want to have a bigger forehead so that the parting doesn't like sit all the way up forward, but then also I like a little bit of a small forehead, so you gotta kind of adjust and find your happy medium. Nonetheless, this is what the wig looks like on. As you guys can see, we have that beautiful brown balayage, and it's set with a nice dark root. They have this one set as a center part, but of course, because it is a closure with a larger parting space, you can definitely go side part, and that side part is going to be nice and clean and beautiful. Also, I think I like it more as a side part. I like that with that like nice layer that the side part gives. I think I might do a side part Or you can also do no part and just shove it back with a flawless hairline. Or we can do a nice half up, half down. I think the half up, half down might be my favorite, but I'll save that for another day. I kind of want to wear it down, but should we do the side part on this side or this side? For some reason, this side is giving a little bit more. Oh, also, let me show you guys the wig from the back. Okay, now that it's back at a center part, I almost feel like I like the center part too. What do you guys think? What would you guys do if you were me? Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but they decided they want to go ahead and do all the gardening right now. So I'm gonna switch you over to some music. We're gonna go for a side part and melt it down, and then hopefully when I come back, they will be quiet. Now that looks pretty good. Okay, so this is what she looks like, and I wanted to give you guys a moment of appreciation for this beautiful luscious hair. I went ahead and took the unbrush really quickly and just combed it out, or brushed it out rather. You guys know me, I prefer majority of the time to brush out the curls and then like add product to kind of like redefine the curls, because I feel like you get more of a custom defined look opposed to like straight out of the box curls, and it always looks a little bit more natural and nice. So I'm just gonna do a one product at this point. I have about, there we go. My alarm went off, which means I have about 5 minutes to be out of the door. So let's just go ahead and wet it down and brush it, and we're gonna air dry on the way there, and then on the way back I'll show you how it looks air dried, since we don't have to diffuse today. And you see how like it looks so big and intimidating, but just with a little bit of product it kind of like goes back down, because it's not too much hair. It's nice and full, but it's not actually like, you know, 10 pounds of hair. It is a lot more reasonable than what it looks blown out. It's kind of like your natural hair. When you blow out your own natural hair, it may look really big, and then when I press it out or wet it, it's a lot more natural. So let's just go ahead and do this really quickly so I can be out of the door in about 5 minutes and get my baby girl. To go. So I'm going to go and get my baby girl, but this is what we're looking like, and we are actually loving it a lot. I'm gonna like push this up so that it can dry with that little waterfall that I like. Whenever you like move your hair when it's really curly, you almost have to like re-add your product, but I do want a little bit of height here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my clothes back on since I got down to my robe, and I will come back to you when this is nice and dry. We'll see what it does when we go out into the elements. All right, but I gotta go. And just like that, we are back. Actually, for me, it's been at least a good 2 hours. So picked Dominic up, Target, Kava, Chipotle. Then we got to the kids' school, and we were pretty early, so we went to the local Starbucks, got refreshers for all of them and a Danish for my son. Picked both kids, or the oldest 2 kids up, ate downstairs together with the kids. I'm trying to de-stress, slow down, and relax, and remember to spend quality time with my kids. Sometimes as parents, we move in so fast and we're so worried about providing that we forget to do little things like eat with our kids. And so I feel like I haven't been doing that enough. So I went ahead and ate with my kids. Long story long, the hair has had time to dry, and as you guys can see, this is for sure better than the diffuser. Now, I always tell you I like to do the diffuser better because it's controlled curls, and I have to say that air dry definitely took the cake this time. Look at how big and voluminous this one is, and it's pretty much all dry because we didn't really wet it, we more so moussed it, and I love the fullness. Now, the one thing that I did not do, which I knew I didn't forget, I just didn't have time, was I did not tint the parting space. I'm gonna just take the cream foundation from Movie Kisses, and this is the 15, and I'm just gonna kind of like dab it in and see if this is the color I want to go. And I like that color, so I kind of am gonna mix them because even though it's the shade 15, there's 2 colors in the shade 15 palette. Yeah, and I like the way that looks. Let me show you guys the packaging before we go. So as always, Nadula always comes with the bells and whistles. They send you this beautiful, like, transparent holographic, I don't know which word I'm saying correctly, but it's like a beautiful tote, and it does have the 2 snaps there. And so inside was also this beautiful like gold, would you call this champagne gold, dust bag, and it does have that new color I love so much. You guys know blue is one of my favorite colors, and it says Nadula on it. Then inside, this is the box. You guys know they also have the tan boxes, and so they do kind of send out the last of the black boxes in the meantime, but you guys are no stranger to this OG box, and this is the newer melt belt, which you guys see me use in the video. And then inside we also have, this is the bag that the wig was in. This is a 7x5 by Knot lace wig in the length 24 inches. And then we also got this beautiful mesh bag, and inside you do get a pack of HD wig caps, this really cute like green and black checker melt belt. I've never seen like that, so it's really nice, and these will be beautiful for like fall season. I'm excited to actually wear these, but there's some just press on nails, and that is pretty much it. You guys already know I have the details, links, everything you need to know about this wig is down below. As I mentioned, you can find this one on Amazon Prime, so make sure you check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.